Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRND. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one multiple times now. I want to take another look at it. Been a while since the last time I did the update and had a bunch of questions come in on it today, especially after the action. And acted just like you would want to see it act today in regards to the support levels. Obviously, the red day isn't exactly how you'd want to see it act, but it found support where it really did need to find support. So that's a good sign of strength. And now it just becomes more of a question of, is this level of support going to continue to hold going forward? And can we see some sort of rebound off it? So what is this level of support? If you're familiar with charts, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. But this purple line here is the 50-day simple moving average, which is a very common, very universal moving average in the world of technical analysis. Lots of people use it. So that is why you would want to see it and why it should act as a support. And sure enough, you can see right there, price went down and bounced right off of it. So nice sign there to see this as that level of support. So this, if you haven't already figured out, is the key level of support. If that level cannot hold, the next level of support is based off of, you can see a high and then low there, and we'll call this at 0014. So 0014, change this to green, would be the following level of support if this 50 period cannot, or excuse me, not 0014, 0044, excuse me, so 0044 again is the level of support if the 50-day does not hold. Right now the 50-day is valued at 0059. In terms of resistance levels and what you want to see on any sort of bounce, with a bounce, the first level of resistance that you're going to want to see clear is right here at 0.0102, or to simplify it, just up there at a penny. This is no surprise, as the penny is usually a psychological level anyways. You can see here acted as support, and then when the price did drop below it here, you can see the past 2 days has acted as resistance. So just a classic example of support turning into a resistance. So a penny will be that original level of support, or excuse me, resistance, and then after that, another area of resistance you'll want to keep your eye on is up there at 0.014. So those will be the two initial levels of resistance on any sort of bounce, and use these levels to also measure the strength of a bounce, meaning if the price comes up here and just starts blowing through these, then you can it'd be a logical assumption to say that this is a very strong bounce. So use these as kind of that strength monitor up there. So that is where the chart currently stands. Again, nice to see it bounce off the 50-day. Hopefully this bounce might carry into tomorrow, but keep an eye on these two support levels and then use these to judge the strength of any sort of bounce. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was BRND. Thanks for listening.